What's going on, everyone? This is JP and welcome to Ready.Set.GO. For today's video, we will be taking a look at the new Google Nest Audio and giving our overall impressions about it. But before we begin, if you're new or have not yet subscribed to our channel, please take a brief moment and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you can always stay up to date with our content. Now let's get back to the video. Created by Google to be the soul of your smart home audio ecosystem, the Google Nest Audio allows for a seamless integration with your older Google smart speakers in your household. Different from the original Google Home speaker are improvements to both design and overall audio output. At $99, how good is this speaker? And if you have an older model, is it really worth upgrading? To find out, I will be unboxing, testing, and reviewing the Google Nest Audio speaker. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Taking a look at the Nest Audio packaging, we can see a clean, modern design that's very much in line with Google's simple yet elegant brand and style. Once you open the box, you will find the Nest Audio speaker, a neatly wrapped power adapter, and the instruction guide. In terms of design, the Nest Audio stands out from the previous models by being completely covered in fabric. This style is in the same line as the Amazon Echo Plus and Apple HomePod, but with the main difference being that these models are not covered with fabric on top. Having the touch controls hidden behind the fabric gives the Nest Audio a minimalistic yet modern look. Google claims that the Nest Audio's enclosure is composed of 70% recycled plastic, which is a great way of reducing waste and helping the environment. The Nest Audio comes in measuring 6.89 inches tall, 4.89 inches wide, with a depth of 3.07 inches and a weight of 2.65 pounds. Once taken out of its box, the Nest Audio has a nice heft along with a quality sturdy feel. To give you an idea of its size, we are showing you the Nest Audio placed next to a Google Home Hub and a Google Home Mini. Even though it is substantially taller than a Google Nest Hub, the speaker's base is 2 inches shorter, which allows it to be placed easily and moved around your home. According to Google, the Nest Audio delivers 50% more bass, due in part to an added 75mm mid-woofer. Housed inside the device, the Nest Audio speaker is a 19mm tweeter that, according to Google, produces high-frequency coverage and clear vocals. According to Google, volume for the Nest Audio has been vastly improved, producing 75% more volume than the original Google Home. Similar to previous speakers, the Nest Audio also includes a switch on its back that allows you to turn off the microphone.
The mic's off.
At the heart of the speaker is a quad-core A53 1.8 GHz processor. As with previous Google speakers, before first use, you will need to add the Nest Audio to your home group through Google's Home app. Also, did you know that you can pair your smart device to any Google Home speaker and use it as a Bluetooth speaker? We will be doing just that in order to do our audio test. First, we make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and on the Google Home app, select Nest Audio, and then select the speaker setting icon on the top right. Under Settings, go to Pair Bluetooth Devices. Next, go to the bottom right of your phone screen and select Enable Pairing Mode. The Nest Audio will then go into Discovery Mode. On your phone settings, go to Bluetooth and select Pair New Device. The Nest Audio will show listed under Available Devices. Select Pair when the pop-up confirmation message shows up, and that's it. The Nest Audio can now be used as a Bluetooth speaker. To control your speaker, the Nest Audio has 3 touch controls located at the top front area. Tap the top front middle to play or pause your audio. If you tap the top front corners, you can also decrease as well as increase the overall volume. If your Nest Audio will be frequently moved around, you will find yourself touching these sensible controls by accident. Since the primary function of the Nest Audio is to produce clean and rich music, we will be focusing mainly on that aspect for this video. To give you an idea on how the Nest Audio sounds, we will be using various music tracks to test the Nest Audio's overall audio quality. Even though we were not able to use the speaker at full volume in order to prevent distortion, we think the following audio samples should provide a good starting point on how the Nest Audio sounds. Here's the first audio track to test the Nest Audio's bass capacity. This next audio track will test the vocals.
Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Cuando haces cariño.
And up next is our last audio track, testing the speaker's overall sound quality.
We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own.
I was very impressed with the Nest Audio's ability to produce clean, thumping bass output and mid-range sound that's usually associated with larger and way more expensive wireless speakers. Vocals are tuned to provide a crisp sound without sounding overly bright. I was also very satisfied with the Nest Audio's overall volume output range. These speakers would immediately provide an enhanced audio experience for any space inside a home, office, or business. If you don't have a home theater setup, you could enhance your movie watching experience by pairing a Nest Audio speaker with a Chromecast, for example. By adding an additional Nest Audio speaker, you could even use both as left and right channels, providing a full stereo effect. This would mean less cables for your home theater setup and a more enjoyable experience when listening to music or streaming your favorite movies. One key feature included with the Nest Audio is Media EQ. With Media EQ, your Nest Audio will automatically tune your audio based on its output, whether it's music, a phone call, podcast, an audiobook, or the voice of your Google Assistant. You also have the option of adjusting the bass and treble if you select equalizer in your device settings. Another feature called Ambient IQ will adjust the volume based on the Nest Audio on your background noise. No more will you need to adjust the volume of your speaker when trying to listen over a noisy background. If you have additional Google speakers like a Nest Mini or a Nest Hub, you can group these devices along with your Nest Audio to listen to your favorite music track on all of them at the same time. Overall, I give the Nest Audio speakers a 4 out of 5 stars. On the plus side, for $99, I think the price point is just right, and the Google Nest Audio vastly improves over the original Google Home speaker in terms of both volume output and overall sound quality. One thing I dislike about the Nest Audio is the placement of the 3 touch controls, but I figure it's something you will get used to pretty quickly. I also think Google should have molded the speaker in a way that allows it to be placed horizontally, as that way it would allow for more placing options for your speaker. These are just minor observations that don't really diminish the Nest Audio's overall improvements from its previous model. I strongly feel that the Google Nest Audio will make a strong addition to any smart home, especially if other Google devices are under the same smart ecosystem. So guys, that is all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and support our channel. Also, don't forget to like and leave your comments below. This is JP for Ready.Set.GO. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.